Claude Code isn't a coding assistant, it's a governed agent, and almost nobody's using it that way. I didn't start with code. I started by giving Claude context, documentation, structure, and intent. What came next wasn't prompting, it was a repeatable workflow. Let me show you the pattern. We're covering constitution files, what they are, why long-running agents need them, and how they differ from traditional prompts. First, what they aren't. A constitution file is not a system prompt, and it doesn't work the same way. A system prompt sets initial behavior, but it's transient. As agents persist across tasks, their behavior can drift. A constitution file is different. It's a durable, explicit rule set that governs how an agent reasons across tasks. Long-running agents use constitutions to maintain consistency, safety, and reviewability as they operate across time and tasks. Here's a concrete example using Claude Code and VS Code to derive a constitution directly from an existing project. Claude Code isn't just autocomplete in an editor, it's a long-running agent with access to the full project context. Step one is creating the constitution, the rule set this agent will follow, so it stays consistent before it touches any code. To create the constitution file, the agent needs context. Project README and structure explain how the system actually works. Next, the agent walks the project itself, traversing files and structure to build a working mental model. From that understanding, the agent derives the constitution, explicit rules extracted from the system, not invented from best practices. Once created, the constitution is fixed. It becomes the governing rule set, not a suggestion the agent can reinterpret. With rules fixed, the agent runs a separate analysis pass, identifying issues without changing any code. That analysis is reviewed by a human, removing false positives and approving exactly what the agent is allowed to change. Only then does the agent fix the code operating strictly within the constitution and the human-approved change set. Inside VS Code, this feels like a governed agent, aware of your files, proposing changes, and letting you review everything before it applies. Most AI coding relies on prompts in the moment. This approach flips that: rules first, execution comes second. Think of it as 3 stages: constitution, analysis, and execution, each separated, auditable, and intentionally constrained. This shines when systems are complex, long-lived, or regulated, anywhere consistency matters more than clever prompts. This isn't about tools, it's about designing agents that behave consistently, safely, and predictably as systems grow.